Hey guys, it's Sunday, July 26, 2020, and I am at the flying field today. And I'm going to get this big girl here put together. Right now I'm charging the electronics batteries for it. This is a 85cc gas motor in here. Two-stroke gas motor. And it's got 3 different batteries inside of it that control the flight controls, and one controls the ignition for the motor. So I got those on charge. Working on a few things on the plane that need to be repaired. And it's a warm one today. I'm just kind of hanging out underneath the canopy. And got Miss Bailey here with me today. Nobody else here yet. Supposed to be some other people showing up. I don't know. Haven't seen anybody yet. So we'll see what happens. You want to say hello to everybody, Miss Bailey? Come on up then. Come on. Say hello to everybody. Say hello. Here's Miss Bailey. Yep. Yeah, she just loves coming down to the flying field. Yes, she does. Yes, she does. Yep. She likes to be outside and play with her football. Right? You like to play with your football? Yeah. You see a little football here? Anyway, so we're waiting for the batteries to charge. I don't want to put the wings on yet until I get the batteries all charged up. So that's what we're working on right now. Just kind of relaxing on a Sunday here, staying in the shade. It is 86 degrees outside right now. It's supposed to be 87 today, so I think we'll make that plus a little bit over. But we got a little breeze going here, so it really isn't that bad, really. Anyway, we should be flying. We should be able to get up in the air in the next hour or so, depending on who shows up and how much they distract me. Anyway, we'll talk to you in a little bit.
No, I'm just kidding.
Alright, we all set?
Yep.
We got ignition on. We got 2 clicks of throttle. Jake's got the airplane. Choke. We'll choke it one time. It should spit once. There it was. I heard it. Let's choke off. Choke's off. Ready?
Yep.
Contact. Yes. Nice one. Pretty good flying plane for how beat up it is, you know. It's got holes in it, dents, things are broken. It's patched together with popsicle sticks and got tape on it. Its covering's coming off it on the bottom. Still flies good though.
Flies like a champ.
Yeah. So all we got to do now is go in here, turn off the flight batteries. We'll get our hatch off. We got a couple switches in here. One's ignition, and then we got actually two electronics batteries that control all the servos and the receiver and everything, and then there's one battery for the ignition on the motor itself. But that's it. Also, we had a camera on board. Hopefully that came out. We were looking out the left wing. Hopefully that came out, so we got something with that. But that's it. This is the Super Decathlon. 122-inch wingspan, I believe. I think it is. It's big, whatever.
Even Bill is impressed.
It's a nice plane. It was a really nice plane when it was new, I bet. Even got the covering come off the top here now.
Where'd you find it?
Facebook. Guy in a club up by Queensbury.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, he had it on Facebook. I actually stopped with my tractor trailer up there coming back from Vermont and picked it up. A couple of years ago now. But
I'm camera shy, you know.
yeah, so that was just a little flight of the Super Decathlon. I gotta start packing up now and thinking about heading home.